Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing tectonic plate boundaries. There are three main types of boundaries: convergent, divergent, and transform. First, we will discuss convergent, specifically continental-continental. When two continental tectonic plates collide, two plates start to push up against each other, which creates a mountain. The Himalayas are an example of a continental-continental convergent plate boundary. Next is oceanic-oceanic convergent plate boundaries. In this case, the denser of the two plates will be subducted underneath the other. This creates a large trench where they meet. Volcanoes can also be created at this type of boundary. The last of the continental plate boundaries is continental-oceanic. When this occurs, the denser oceanic plate gets subducted underneath the continental plate. The reason oceanic plates are denser than continental is because the continental plates are mostly granite and the oceanic plates are mostly basalt, and basalt is denser than granite. This plate boundary also creates a deep underwater trench. Volcanoes and earthquakes are common in these areas, and the western coast of Chile is an example of this type of plate boundary. The next type of plate boundary we will examine is divergent, or when two plates are moving away from each other. When two oceanic plates diverge, magma comes up from Earth's mantle and immediately cools to start creating new oceanic plate. These type of plate boundaries can be found along the center of most of our oceans and create a mid-ocean ridge. Divergent continental-continental plate boundaries are much rarer compared to divergent oceanic-oceanic plate boundaries. However, when they do occur, again, hot magma rises from Earth's mantle, but in this case it creates volcanoes. A valley where the two plates separate is also formed along with earthquakes. The final plate boundary we will discuss is transform. This is when two tectonic plates slide past each other, going in different directions. Earthquakes are common in these areas. The western coast of the United States, specifically California, is an example of a transform plate boundary. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.